Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video? I'm going to show you how to use AI in Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. And now, on the bottom of your screen, you can see Home, Projects, plus sign, Templates, and Pro. Tap on plus sign and select custom design. Type in your preferred width and height. I'm gonna type in 10 and 10 and select create new design. Once you do that, from the bottom of your screen, you have to scroll and find apps. Once you tap on apps, you can see there are various apps available in Canva. You can search it out and find out AI apps by selecting AI power. And guys, there you go. There you can find AI apps in Canva. You can select one of these and use AI in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.